So this is another video about the dental caries. So this is another type of the dental caries, that is the smooth surface caries that affecting the enamel. Okay, so where you can find the smooth surface caries? So smooth surface caries mostly found on the proximal surface, only the proximal surface. Okay, mostly mesially and distal surface. Okay, so here initially you can see the white and chalky appearance of the enamel. Okay, sometimes also you can see the catch by the explorer or by the probe. So mostly you can see that you can clinically feel the catch or by the probe and explorer. So this is the ground section of the smooth surface caries. So this is the enamel. So where you can see the enamel rods, that these are the wavy in nature. These are the incremental line of the enamel, that are the styophylacteous. Okay. So this is the caries. So this is the cone. Okay. So this is the cone shape of the smooth surface caries that found on the enamel surface, mostly on the mesial and distal surface of the tooth. So also in that you can see the translucent zone just above the, okay, just near the DJ. Then above that there is a dark zone, then body of the lesion. Then you can see these are the prominent styophylacteous. Okay, intact surface zone. So this is the most outer zone, that is the intact surface zone. This is the sclerotic dentine that form because of the reaction of the bacterial endotoxin. These are the dental tubules. Okay, so this is the smooth surface caries of the enamel. So what is the difference between the smooth surface caries and Pitt and Fisher caries? Here you can see this is the cone. Okay, this is the cone. So apex of the cone always towards the DEJ. So this is the DEJ. So apex of the cone always towards the DEJ and base towards the surface of the enamel. So this is the difference between the Pitt and Fisher caries and smooth surface caries. This is another slide that about the smooth surface caries that found on the root surface or that affect the cementum. So Hagen defined the Hagen defined the smooth surface caries as soft, that is the soft progressive lesion that is found anywhere on the tooth surface or root surface that has lost connective tissue attachment and is exposed to the oral environment. So that is the definition of the cemental caries. So mostly cemental caries found in the older age. Older age. Why? Because in older age you can see the recession of the gingival recession. Because of that, the root surface or cementum exposed to the oral environment, and that lead to the cemental caries. Okay, so here also you can see, so this is cementum. These are the different incremental line of the cementum, and this is the saucer shape cemental caries. Okay, saucer shape. So here you can see not cone, that is the saucer shape in nature. Okay, and on the root surface or cementum, the caries always spread along with the surface fiber of the cementum or between the surface fiber of the cementum. Okay, so this is the enamel, dentine, interglobal dentine. This is the cementum. So this is the cementum. Here you can see the Tom's granular layer. Okay, these are the incremental line of the cementum. These are the incremental line of the Salter, called as the incremental line of the Salter. That is the reactionary dentine. That is the sclerotic dentine. Okay, and you can see the surface fiber. These small fiber are surface fiber. Okay, so this is the CEJ. So this is about the smooth surface caries that affecting the cementum. So please remember the shape of the smooth surface caries that affect the cementum, that is saucer in shape. Okay, this is about the cone. So this is the smooth surface caries of the enamel that involving the enamel. So this is the cone. Okay, so apex of the cone towards the DEJ. So this is the DEJ. Okay, and base of the cone towards the enamel surface or towards the proximal surface. Okay, on the proximal surface. So this is about the smooth surface caries. Smooth surface caries. This is the diagram from the internet. Okay, so this is about smooth surface. So important thing in Patten fissure, the apex of the in Patten fissure caries apex towards the occlusal surface or towards the enamel and base towards the DJ. But in smooth surface caries, the base is towards the enamel, and apex towards the DJ, opposite to the Patten fissure caries. Okay, so this is the important thing. So this is about the smooth surface caries. Thank you so much. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.